hair. January 22. I finally got a place. Baby ma. I don't care if people are passing. I really hope when I'm editing this going to sound as clear as I want it to be. My first to going natural is to have your reason why. This is so important, and people underestimate how important this is, because a point to come in your life, like 3 months or 2 weeks after you go natural, that you feel like, I want to relax my hair. Because I have friends that have gone natural and relaxed their hair because they lost their reason why. And it's very important. I already said this in my 4 years natural hair waist length journey video, so you can check the video out. People are just passing by. I might leave this place. Look for a feeling you want to have every time you wear your hair, because
a feeling to be your reason.
Oh, I want to get a new car. Then you want a feeling of why you want to have that new car. Maybe because of you want to feel bold and powerful when you come out of that car. Just like your natural hair journey, because it is a journey. And that's another thing you should note. Why I said my natural hair was because of I'm Nigerian, and I'm Nigerian. I want people to see that Nigerians can also grow their hair long. Africans can also grow their hair long. You don't have to be in a particular kind of condition or from a particular part of the world. You can grow your hair long, like not restricted to a particular kind of people. Another thing you should know is that you should know how you need to go natural. There are 2 ways you can go natural. You can go natural either by shaving your hair off completely, or by going for a big chop. A big chop when you cut off the relaxed part of your hair. So you have to grow your hair out and keep only the natural parts, then cut off. I'm too distracted outside here. So you have to cut off or trim off the relaxed part of your hair and leave only the natural hair. That's a big chop. So you can either grow your hair out or the big chop, or cut it ASAP and keep on cutting till you cut off the relaxed part. To learn, you have to learn. You have to learn a lot about your hair. Now, the most important thing to learn about your hair is growth journey is your hair porosity. I'm getting very distracted outside here. So you have to learn a lot about your hair type, your hair density, your hair porosity. Your hair porosity is the most important thing to learn about your hair. You can learn the other things, but before you learn all those other things, make sure you learn what your hair porosity is. If you don't know what your hair porosity is, just notice when you put water on your hair or put any hair product on your hair. Does it get into your hair fast, or does it take time? If you know your skin type, you'll be able to determine how your pores are, whether your pores receive products easily or your pores take time to get products in. If your pores take time, that means you are low porosity. If your pores receive products in very fast but they don't last long, that means you are high porosity. Do you grab? So this is like the most important thing, because once you know your hair porosity, you know the products that will work for you. Because if you don't know your hair porosity, products you are buying will not be working for your hair. You're just wasting money. Do you grab? I'm low porosity like most natural hair YouTubers I follow. That's why I use the LCO method. But if you don't understand what porosity is, I have a video about that. The next thing is to know the tools you need to grow your hair. Tools are not so necessary to growing out your hair. That's the craziest thing people don't tell you. And tools are very expensive. But for now, if you are just a new natural, the only 2 tools, the main 2 tools I'll advise you get is a white tooth comb and a satin bonnet. Sir? This is so annoying. So there are 2 types of tools in natural hair community, 2 categories. We have 2 categories of tools. We have the heat tools and the no heat tools. Personally, I'm like, this month of April, if you've heard about my natural hair growth challenge, this month we are avoiding any heat tool. Mosquitoes are biting me. But avoiding any heat too. So I'm not even suggest any heat to you. A white tooth and a satin bonnet. Those two tools are very important and tough. If you want, you can get a shower cap. If you have your satin bonnet and a white tooth, then you are good to start your hair journey. If very beautiful. Let me hurry up because rain wants to fall. The four main hair products that you need. You need a leave-in conditioner. You need a shampoo and after wash conditioner. When you buy your shampoo, ask for the conditioner that comes with the shampoo. Then you need a leave-in conditioner. Then you will also need a hair growth oil. If you don't have a hair growth oil, just use your hair cream or your hair pomade. Rain about to fall. Yeah. Your body changes with your age. The older you get, adolescence and menopause, pregnancy, and every other thing that changes in your body. You have to put your hair growth regimen in line with those things that change. I have my hair routines on my channel, so you can check those hair routines. And I have a video on how to create your hair growth regimen. You are new to start your hair journey. You are a new natural. Since you are a new natural, wear protective styles. Protective styles don't protect anything. Instead, protective styles are to stretch out your hair. So if you want to grow out your hair faster, you have to stretch it out with protective styles. Now, I'm not telling you that you should not rock your wash and goes, but some people are very obsessed with growing their hair very fast and long. So if you want to grow your natural hair very fast, then you should wear a lot of protective styles that will stretch out your hair. The next thing is to avoid these 30 mistakes I mentioned in this video. Make sure you watch this video, don't watch any of the other videos I mentioned, because to help you when you start your natural hair growth journey. I'm telling you this after running around this weather of dust. I really hope this video comes in handy when I'm editing, because and dust is all over my body. Dust even entered my mouth when I was recording. See you in this video. Make sure you check this video out.